How to edit slow motion. We need to note this is not in iMovie. This is just in your regular iPhoto album. Right after you take your picture or video, you go right to it and you're gonna go up to the edit button, which you can't see here. There it is. And tap on the edit button. And then you're gonna see some interesting looking lines there. These lines determine the regular speed, which are the lines close together, and then the slow motion part. So, for example, in this one, it's a lot of waiting and waiting, and that's cool, but it takes up a lot of space and it's kind of boring. So instead of waiting for that whole time, I'm going to go to that edit button again, and I'm going to take the slow-mo part and I'm going to drag it all the way down, and you'll notice as I get close to the explosion here, right about, boom! Now I can really bring it, oh look at that, so cool. When you're scrubbing. I'm gonna go back to about here. So right before. So now it's gonna be regular speed, and then it's gonna be a little bit of slow-mo, and then on the other end, there's no reason for that to be slow-mo, so I'm gonna go ahead and bring that back too. So now it's gonna be a lot of regular and just a little bit of slow-mo. So I'm gonna tap the done button, and then it's still kind of here, so I need to back it up to the beginning. And so now it's regular speed all the way up, boom, to the slow part, and then back to the regular speed.